Hello everyone. Do you want to learn how to get started with ClickUp, the powerful project management tool that can help you streamline your workflow and improve your productivity? In this video, we will walk you through the basics of creating tasks, assigning them to team members, and tracking progress. Whether you are new to this or a beginner, I will show you everything from zero to hero. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply head up to your browser and then go to the URL section and search for ClickUp. Now, after you did that, click on the first link, which is clickup.com. So let's do that. And as you can see, it has been opened. Now, all you have to do to start working with them is click in here. And it is free forever. No credit card is required. So let's click on get started. And here, put your work email. So let's put my email for now. Here we go. Get click up. Now let me just make sure that my email it is the one that I've put it. Yep, correct. And then here just put the name, lollylop, and here a password of minimum of 8 characters. Now please at least one capital letter. Okay, let's add here capital letter and play with click up. Now just wait a couple seconds and they will send you a code in your inbox. So go to your Gmail account, go to ClickUp team, copy this, and then verify it. Welcome, Lollylop. Our mission is to make you more productive and this will only take a minute. So let's do it. Name your workspace. Keep it like that. Customize your workspace avatar. You can upload the image if you'd like. So let me just try to track an image. For example, this one. Okay, I'm happy so far. Choose your favorite color theme. Blue. And can we choose other colors? No, only blue. Alright, I'm happy so far. How many people will you be working with? Just me for the moment. How do you want to start using ClickUp? I will start using ClickUp for sales and CRM, finance and accounting, IT, personal use, marketing, this bunch of things. I will try and choose personal use. Click on next then. Here, how did you hear about us? You can choose podcast radio, something like that, but for you guys, you have to choose YouTube since you heard it from me. Do you use any of these tools project management? To do is I do have it. I do use this one as well, and I did use Trello back then. With that being said, click when I'm done. And now that's it. Now go and change the word and don't forget to have fun. So let's play with ClickUp and our dashboard shall be created in a couple seconds. You can watch the video if you'd like to see like a basic tutorial about the platform. I will just click here to get started. And now, here as you may see, they have put me in my team space. Here you can find your projects. So this is a project of mine. I can click on it and add a new project. So here we go. And here I can add a new folder. And in this folder I can name it project 2. And I can add it a list or something like that. I can share folder with people and give task status. Here there is templates if you'd like to have some templates. Let's keep it like that and create the folder. And as you may see, it is here. And the same thing goes for these. Here you can add a list, you can add whiteboard, import some thing from like Excel sheet, to-do list, and much more stuff to do. So here, as you may see, there is a list of tasks that you can do. So this is to-do list. You can change it to whatever you like. So I'm gonna keep it to-do list. Just gonna add here list, save. And here I can add a task name. So let's say, for example, exercise in the morning and add it. Now, as you may see, the exercise in the morning has been successfully created. Here I can create subtask. For example, in this exercise in the morning, I shall do 3 things. Run, lift some weight, and for example, I can add another one. What do you think, guys? What should we add here? But you got the idea in general, so lift some weights. And here, maybe take a shower. So this is like an example of how the exercise in the morning should be like. And now, once I'm done with one of this, I can just click here and make it completed. And as you can see, I can click here to make it undo. So it is very easy to use and very simple. And everything is in front of you, so you won't get lost. Now, this is with the list. Here you will find the board, which is over here. You can open the board where you can find things in like 3 categories. To-do list, so the tasks that you have to do. In progress, so for example, now I have 3 tasks. For example, exercise in the morning, travel, work, and then sleep. So these are, or read a book, for example. So these are the main 3 tasks that I have. So let's say that you are now at 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to drag this over here so I can know that this task is now in the progress. And when I'm finished with that and I'm done with it, so when I'm done with the old task, I'm just going to click here and it's going to be to the actual complete stage. So close task. Here, are you sure about this? If you'd like to close the task, I'm not gonna close it, of course. Just gonna click here and then move it, and I can move it to wherever I want. Now, let's say that you'd like to add another view. You can have calendar, you can have can't, timeline, team, table, mind map, workload, activity, map, and a lot of things, guys. For example, here a calendar to be more detailed and specific in your day, and you everything is organized. If you have an event someday and you don't want to forget about it, you can just go here and add that event to your calendar, and just like that you will never forget about your own events and upcoming events. And always this ClickUp platform will announce it to you in your emails, so you get always notified before the events arrive. And yeah, guys, that was basically it. That's how you can create an account in ClickUp and start using it. It is a very helpful and useful platform, and I highly recommend you guys all to create an account and start working with. You can work by your own self, or you can add all your team members to it and start making magic with this platform, because it will help you organize your tasks, make every task finish more quickly since everyone knows what to do. And once, of course, you will see that your team members are actually completing tasks, you will get to start working by your own. So there will be some kind of motivation going around that. I highly recommend you guys to try it out for at least 1 week, and you will see the incredible results, because I have tried it with my friends and it is so good. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.